Hi guys, it's Miss Vanetta. I'm here to do your math and science lesson. So we talked about graphing yesterday, and that's what we're going to continue today. So you need to be on page 707. Okay, 707. All right, so I have got some red and yellow cubes here. Okay, it's kind of like what we did yesterday. So we need to graph these, how many red and yellow cubes I have. So I'm at the top. How many red ones do I have? How many red ones do I have? 5, yeah. So at the top, go color in how many boxes? 5, yeah. Just like that. Colored in 5 boxes for 5 red cubes. All right, how many yellow ones do I have? Let me hold it this way. There you go. How many yellow ones do I have? 4, yeah. So we go color in how many squares for our yellow one? 4. All right, just like that. And look, you made a graph. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, so we're going to use circles to represent how many red and yellow cubes we have, okay? So how many red ones did we have? Look at your graph right on top. How many red ones did we have? We had 5, so let's go draw 5 circles, 1 in each square. Just like that, okay? All right, how many yellow ones? How many yellow ones did we have? We had 4, so how many circles do we draw? 4, yeah. All right, just like that. Okay, great job, guys. Go ahead and flip over to the next page. Okay, we're on page 708. All right, so we've got some cubes at the top, okay? And we need to sort them, okay? Kind of like how we were doing last week. We need to sort them by their color. So how many blue ones do I have? How many blue cubes do I have? And we're looking at these cubes right here at the top. So how many blue ones do I have? 3. So how many squares do I color in by the blue? 3, yeah. All right, how many green ones do I have? Look at the top at the green. How many green ones do I have? 5, yeah. So go color in 5 squares. All right, and how many red ones do I have? 1. So go color in 1 square. And look, there's your graph. You made a graph. All right, look at the bottom. All right, it says, read the graph. What color has fewer cubes? Circle the cube below. All right, which one has less? Is it blue or green? Which one has less? Yeah, it's green. Green, so circle green at the bottom. Just like that. So on this page, we did our graph, and then we figured out which one has fewer. All right, guys, go ahead and scooch on over to the next page. Let me change my paper, and then we'll get started. Okay, we're on page 709. You see some animals right there. We're going to graph some animals. All right. So look at the picture. How many of each animal are there? Draw circles on the graph to show the number of each animal. Okay, so how many birds do we have? Remember, we're not going to color in this time. We're going to draw circles, okay? All right. How many birds do we have? Go count the birds in the picture. How many birds do we have? We have 5. So how many circles do we draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just like that. See the bird right there? And then we draw 5 circles. Okay, how many squirrels do we have? How many squirrels? 4. So we go draw 4 circles. Okay, just like that. See, there's the squirrel, and we had 4 of them. So we drew 4 circles. All right, last one. How many rabbits do we have? How many rabbits do you see? Let's look. I see 2 rabbits. 2 rabbits. 1, 2. Very good. All right, the next one. We're on number 4, guys. Write how many of each animal. Okay, so let's look at our graph, and we're going to write down how many of each animal. So how many birds did we graph? How many birds? There's 5. So we go write a 5 beside the bird. We're on number 4 right here. Okay. How many squirrels do we have? How many squirrels did we graph? 4. Yeah. And how many rabbits do we have? 2. Good job. All right, so it should look like this. We did our graph, and then we wrote down how many of each. All right, go ahead and turn the page. Okay, and let's see what we got to do on the back. Last page right here. We're on page 710. Okay, let's answer some questions. Number 5, read the picture graph. Circle the ball to show the sport that has the most children, that the most children like. So let's look at this. Which sport has the most? Which sport has the most? Is it football, baseball, or soccer? Which one do the kids like most? Yeah, soccer. And look, we know that because look, it has the most circles. Okay, see, it has the most. Okay, all right. Number 6, choose the correct answer. How many children like apples? Well, let's look at the apple, and how many circles do you see? How many kiddos like apples? Yeah, there's 4. Okay, look, see, apples, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's your answer. All right, guys. Okay. Let me change out our paper. Okay, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to do pages 711 and pages 712. 711 and pages 712, okay? You're going to do that by yourself and then send me a picture of it, okay? Don't forget to send a picture, okay? All right, we're going to move on to science. Okay. And we've been talking about weather. We talked about weather yesterday, okay? So I have another page for us to work on. So we're going to talk about these different pictures and what they mean, okay? So what is this one right here? You see little flurries coming down from the sky, little white things of what? Snow. Yeah, snow. We almost had some snow the other night because it was so cold. Okay. What about this one? This one's kind of tricky, okay? This happens when your hair's flying everywhere, the trees are whistling around. What's that called? Windy. Okay? Windy. That one's kind of tricky, okay? It's windy outside. Your hair gets in your face as trees are blowing all around. All right, what's this one? Ooh, that can be scary. Lightning, yeah. Or stormy. It can be stormy. Stormy. But that is a picture of lightning. But lightning happens when it's stormy outside. Okay, stormy. Okay. All right, what's this one? Rainy. Yes, rainy. All right. Rainy. All right, what's this last one? What is that one? That's sunny. That's the sun. Sunny. Just like that. All right, guys. That is it for today. I hope y'all enjoyed my lesson. Don't forget to send me pictures of how you did on your assignments, okay? All right, guys. I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.